Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Levide KNEE Massager. First, place the Levide KNEE Massager on your knee. Make sure the device covers your joint completely. Then, adjust the straps so the massager fits snugly and securely without being too tight. The straps are designed to contour naturally to your knee shape, keeping it in place while allowing full comfort during your session. Next, power on the massager using the touchscreen display. The touchscreen is very easy to use, letting you switch between different modes, adjust vibration intensity, and control the temperature quickly. You can choose from 3 vibration modes for light, medium, or deep massage, and 3 temperature levels to warm up your knee and improve blood circulation. The massager also features built-in infrared lamps with wavelength of 615 to 650 nanometers. The lamps penetrate deep into your knee joint, helping to relax muscles, reduce stiffness, relieve discomfort, and promote better circulation. You can feel the warmth and gentle pressure working together to soothe the knee. Before starting, it's a good idea to glance at the quick start guide included in the package. It helps you understand all the functions so you don't miss any useful features. Once you've selected your preferred vibration mode and temperature, let the device work for the recommended time. Sit comfortably and relax while the massager targets pressure points and provides gentle comprehension to your knee. After your session is complete, turn off the massager and remove it carefully. You can use it daily as part of your wellness routine, especially after workouts, long walks, or periods of knee stiffness. Regular use can help maintain joint flexibility, reduce soreness, and provide a soothing massage experience at home without needing professional treatments. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.